Assignment. Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about assignments. Your learners can submit their assignment at Estatoora LMS. Think about this. You help save learners more papers and experience a convenient way of learning. If you are an Estatoora LMS subscriber, teachers and students can be notified through corporate emails. An organized submission is being done as well, since you only receive emails from your learners and not from colleagues or organizations. Assignments can either be submitted through files or written text, a feature that is integrated at Estatoora LMS. You can add links, images, or videos relevant to the assignment. Assignments may be done individually or in a group. You can also choose whether to see the learner while giving grades or not. With the built-in editor, teachers and students can directly record audio or video. Now, you can add click the turn editing on feature if you want to add an assignment. Simply click the Add an Activity or Resource from Estatoora LMS's Activity Chooser to place your assignment. Don't be confused. The assignment is called an activity because learners can interact with it. To go to the assignment setup screen, go to the setup page or you can click the I button for more information. We will be discussing other options that you can utilize on your assignments. For the first one, you need a name and description for your assignment. Then, you can include images and media links by clicking the appropriate icons. You can also upload additional documents to your assignments. You can set a deadline or due date for your assignments and get a reminder when to grade them. The deadline will display on the timeline of the dashboard of your learners. This is the same with your reminder to grade their assignment since a reminder will be shown on the timeline on the dashboard together with the due date of their assignments. The next thing you want to do is to set submission time. You can choose between upload one or several files. Just make sure that the file submission is ticked in order to do so. You can choose the number of files you want and you can specify a type or type of a file you want them to upload. On the other hand, if you want your learners to type their assignments instead of submitting them through files, select the online text. The built-in editor allows you to set a word limit. Once done, you can now scroll down, save it, and return to the course. While exploring the options in assignment, you may click the question mark, a help icon for the information you need. For instance, you want to know more about feedback type. The comment setting allows you to type directly on the learner's work just as you would when grading their papers. In submission settings, you can decide if you want your learners to accept an agreement that their work is their own. While in group submission settings, you can get them to work and submit as a group. You can also choose whether to receive a message when your learners submit their assignments. Not only this, it is your choice if you want your learners to be notified once you graded their works. When you grade your learners, you can choose a number or create your own scale. For the blind marking, ticking it means you won't be able to see which learner has submitted their assignments. Marking workflow and allocation are also useful when sharing the course with your co-teachers so you can divide the course, moderate, and monitor the grading progress. You can now click Save and return to your course. Your assignment is now ready. Now that you learned about the assignment, you can now move on to the next video or Find out more in the Estatoora LMS course documentation. Thank you.